Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and opening settings. Make sure battery is above 20% and remove any screen lock pauses, then unlock with your PIN or fingerprint. Once done, find the app drawer and tap the settings gear. This is where system language lives. You need to move quickly to the correct menu, so don't navigate randomly. If settings shows search, type, language to jump straight in. Otherwise, scroll to System or General Management to continue to the next step. You're now inside Language and Input to add and prioritize your new language. Tap Languages, then add language and scroll or search to pick the language you want. Some languages include regional variants. Choose the correct one. Once added, press and hold or use the menu to move that language to the top of the list so it becomes primary. Make sure you confirm any prompts about keyboard changes. This ensures system texts, menus, and predictive input match the selection. You finish by confirming the UI switched to the new language. Open a few apps and system menus to check consistency. If some apps or keyboards still show the old language, restart the phone. This forces the change. If characters or input options are missing, go back to Languages and download the language pack or reset the keyboard settings. If you get stuck, use Settings Search to find language again or perform a soft reboot. This typically resolves transient issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.